Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to take this warm fabric. Now we're going to mark the line from the corner. As you can see, cut it and fold it into half. Again, we're going to cut it from this side as well. Now we're going to stitch this black color of strip on both its sides. Now we're going to fold it and stitch it and cut the extra part, look like this. After this, we're going to hold the fabric from this side as well, stitch it and cut the extra part like we're doing here in this video. Now fold it and you can see the triangular portion, stitch it and cut it as well. Open it and flip the fabric, put the buttons as well, and look how beautiful these slippers are looking. So you can make it at home. Today in this video, we're going to reuse this old fabric of denim and the printed one. Cut these squares and stitch all of them together. We're going to make a beautiful stationery purse. So we're going to put this black zip on both sides of the fabric and stitch it in a straight line. Look how we're doing here in this video. After this, we're going to put the checkered pattern fabric as well on the top and stitch it. Now flip the fabric and then we're going to secure it again from both the sides, so stitch it in a straight line. After doing this, we are going to close the zip, so pull the zip and look, it's done. After closing it, we're going to put the handle as well, so put another piece of fabric, look how we're doing here in this video, and stitch it as well. We are going to do the same from other side as well and stitch it in a straight line like we're doing here in this video. After stitching, we're going to cover the sides. So we're going to put similar color of fabric. Now hold it from the corners and stitch the triangular part. Look how we're doing here. We're going to do it from all its four sides, and look, your bag is ready. Now flip the fabric and how pretty this stationery bag is looking. Today we are going to learn how you can make the pockets at home. Here we are going to take this white color of strip, fold it and then put the pocket on the top of it and stitch it as well. Now we are going to take another fabric and put it on other side, stitch it as well. Now make a cut at the center. Look how we are doing here in this video. Now flip the fabric. After this, we are going to stitch it from the other side as well. Look like this. After stitching, we are going to now stitch the pocket. Look how we're doing here, and it's done. You can easily open it. Look like this. So we're going to take this large fabric and cut two similar pieces. Now we're going to cut it from all its four sides. Look like this. After this, we're going to put another strip of fabric and put it on the top of the design. After this, we're going to stitch all of them together. We're going to stitch it from the corners and then we're going to stitch the strip. Look like this. Similar way, we're going to put the zip at the center part and fold the fabric and stitch the zip as well. First, we're going to stitch only one side of the zip, so hold the fabric and then repeat the same process from other side as well, and it's done. After stitching the zip, we're going to hold the fabric and then we're going to stitch it from the ends and then from the sides as well. After stitching, we are going to hold the corners, look like this, in a straight line and stitch all of them, and look, your beautiful large bag is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.